Best story for listening. Vocabulary and definition. Listen, repeat, and read along. Vocabulary list. Explore. Curious, brave. Pollen, nectar. Meadow. Delicate. Produce. Collect. Plants. 1. Explore. To go on an adventure and discover new things. 2. Curious, wanting to learn or know more about something. 3. Brave, feeling strong and not afraid to try new things. 4. Pollen, a tiny yellow dust from flowers that helps plants grow. 5. Nectar, a sweet liquid in flowers that bees love to drink. 6. Meadow, a big open field with lots of grass and flowers. 7. Delicate, soft, gentle, or easy to break. 8. Produce, to make or create something. 9. Collect, to gather things together. 10. Plants, living things like flowers, trees, and grass that grow from the ground. Once upon a time, in a sunny and colorful meadow, lived a little bee named Buzzy Bree. Buzzy Bree was not like other bees. She was curious, brave, and always eager to explore new things. She lived in a busy hive with her family and hundreds of other bees, each with an important job to do. Every morning, Buzzy Bree would wake up to the gentle hum of the hive. She would stretch her tiny wings and buzz with excitement, ready for the adventures the day might bring. Though Buzzy Bree loved her job of collecting nectar, today she felt a pull to do something different, something special. Buzzy Bree buzzed out of the hive, greeted by the warm rays of the sun and the sight of a meadow filled with flowers of every color. She took a deep breath of the sweet, fragrant air and decided to explore a part of the meadow she had never seen before. As Buzzy Bree flew further from the hive, she discovered a section of the meadow that was more beautiful than she had ever imagined. The flowers here were bigger and brighter, their petals shimmering in the sunlight. Buzzy Bree hovered above a patch of enormous daisies, her eyes wide with wonder. While Buzzy Bree marveled at the beautiful flowers, she noticed her friend Oliver the Owl perched on a branch of a tall oak tree. Oliver was wise and kind, and Buzzy Bree loved to talk to him. She flew up to join him on the branch. "Good morning, Oliver," Buzzy Bree buzzed cheerfully. Oliver turned his head, smiling warmly. "Good morning, Buzzy Bree. What brings you to this part of the meadow today?" he asked in his deep, gentle voice. "I'm exploring," Buzzy Bree replied excitedly. "The flowers here are so big and beautiful. I've never seen anything like them." Oliver nodded wisely. "This is indeed a special place. The flowers here are unique, and they need someone like you to help them grow." Buzzy Bree tilted her head in curiosity. "What do you mean, Oliver?" she asked. Oliver smiled and began to explain. "When you collect nectar, Buzzy Bree, you also carry pollen from one flower to another. This helps the flowers grow and produce seeds, which will become new flowers. Without bees like you, many plants wouldn't be able to grow at all." Buzzy Bree's wings fluttered with excitement as she realized how important her work was. "I didn't know I was helping so much," she exclaimed. Oliver chuckled softly. "Yes, Buzzy Bree, you and the other bees play a very important role in keeping the meadow alive and beautiful." Inspired by Oliver's words, Buzzy Bree decided to get to work. She flew down to the nearest flower, a bright yellow sunflower, and began to collect nectar. She carefully brushed the flower's stamens, picking up tiny grains of pollen on her legs. As Buzzy Bree moved from flower to flower, she was amazed by the different shapes and colors she encountered. Each flower seemed to have its own personality. Some were shy and delicate, while others were bold and bright. Buzzy Bree loved all and felt proud to be helping them grow. After visiting many flowers, Buzzy Bree's baskets were full of nectar, and her legs were covered in golden pollen. On her way back to the hive, she noticed a small patch of flowers that looked sad and wilted. Buzzy Bree flew closer and saw that the flowers were dropping, their petals pale and weak. "Oh no," Buzzy Bree thought, "these flowers need help." Without hesitation, she began to spread the pollen she had collected onto their petals. As Buzzy Bree worked, something magical began to happen. The flowers slowly started to lift their heads, their petals regaining their bright colors. Buzzy Bree's heart swelled with joy as she watched the flowers come back to life, realizing that even the smallest bee could make a big difference. Feel proud of herself, Buzzy Bree continued her journey back to the hive. She thought about all the different flowers she had visited that day and how each one needed her help in its own special way. Buzzy Bree knew that her job was more important than ever. When Buzzy Bree finally returned to the hive, she was greeted by her fellow bees. They buzzed excitedly as Buzzy Bree told them about her adventure and how she helped the flowers. The other bees listened with admiration, and Buzzy Bree felt a warm glow of pride. Buzzy Bree and the other bees got to work, turning the nectar she had collected into sweet, golden honey. The hive was a busy place with bees working together in harmony. Buzzy Bree felt a deep sense of belonging as she contributed to the hive's efforts. As the day drew to a close, the hive was filled with the rich scent of honey, and the bees began to settle down for the night. Buzzy Bree found her a cozy spot in the hive and curled up, feeling tried but happy. She knew she had done something truly special that day. As Buzzy Bree drifted off to sleep, she thought about Oliver's words. She realized that even though she was just one small bee, she had the power to make the world a better place. Buzzy Bree felt a sense of purpose and knew she would continue to do her best every day. The next morning, Buzzy Bree woke up with a smile on her face. She stretched her wings and buzzed softly, excited for the new day. She couldn't wait to explore more of the meadow and help even more flowers grow. As Buzzy Bree flew out of the hive, she noticed that the flowers in the meadow seemed to be even more vibrant than before. The colors were brighter, and the petals were stronger. Buzzy Bree knew that her hard work was paying off, and she felt a deep sense of satisfaction. Buzzy Bree continued to explore the meadow every day, finding new flowers and helping them grow. She became known as the most dedicated and caring bee in the hive, and the other bees looked up to her as a role model. Buzzy Bree adventures didn't stop there. She met new friends, discovered new places, and learned even more about the important role bees play in the world. But no matter how far she traveled or how many flowers she helped, Buzzy Bree always remembered the lessons Oliver had taught her. And so, Buzzy Bree the Bee lived happily ever after, buzzing through the meadow, spreading pollen, and making the world a brighter, more beautiful place. Every night, as she drifted off to sleep, Buzzy Bree knew that she was doing something truly important, something that made a difference in the lives of all creatures in the meadow. The end.